Your order will be shipped today.
My package, that I ordered on Friday, will arrive today.
What did you order?
I ordered a pair of running pants and a t-shirt.
Did you pay online?
Yes, I did.
How did you pay? By debit card, bank transfer, or PayPal?
Through Visa.
Where did you buy these clothes?
On Visa. This is an online store. Do you know it?
Yes, of course. Are you gonna unbox your clothes now?
Definitely. I've been waiting for these clothes for a week. The package could have been more beautifully wrapped. I also had to pay quite a lot for shipping. Let's see. The colors are beautiful. They are the same as in the photo. Their materials are also very soft.
Try them on. How was the size?
The pants fall off my waist and the stem is too long.
What a pity. And what is the t-shirt like?
That just suits me. That's my size.
At least that's good news. Does BC allow you to return this item?
I think they will let me return this item within 7 days. I will send a message to the shop that I have a problem with the pants.
Check the terms and conditions before sending it back.
They say it is free to return, and I can exchange it for a smaller one, or they refund the price of the product. I need to fill out a form.
Next time, before you buy something, read the customer reviews as well.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to push the like button. subscribe, and comment. If you want more lessons, join our membership program on YouTube. Visit our website where you will find more learning materials. See you next time.